Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to paint a peaceful coastal scene filled with glowing sunlight, calm blue water, towering sea cliffs, and a graceful sailboat drifting across the ocean. This painting is all about creating atmosphere with soft gradients, light, reflections, and depth. So let's begin. I start by covering the top of the canvas with a rich sky blue. As I move downward, I gradually lighten the color to create a smooth transition toward the horizon. This gentle gradient immediately gives the sky a bright, open feeling. Next, I move to the sea. Beginning with a deeper blue near the bottom of the canvas, I slowly blend the color lighter as I paint toward the horizon. Before adding any details, I lightly block in the area where the sunlight will reflect across the ocean. I softly paint the first layer of the sun's reflection, knowing I'll return later to make it much brighter after everything has dried. Working in layers allows the light to glow naturally instead of looking flat. Now it's time to build the rocky coastline. For the distant mountains, I mix blue, white, and just a touch of black to create cool, atmospheric colors. Each layer moving forward becomes slightly darker and more defined, helping create a strong sense of depth. For the nearer cliffs, I warm the mixture by adding more red, yellow, and blue, creating rich, earthy tones. The closest cliff is painted with a much darker brown, making it feel massive and dramatic as it rises beside the water. Using a smaller brush, I begin adding highlights that reveal the shape of every rock face. The distant cliffs receive soft gray highlights because they are farther away and softened by atmospheric perspective. The foreground cliffs, however, are highlighted with warm brown tones that emphasize their rugged texture and bring them closer to the viewer. To anchor the cliffs into the scene, I darken their bases and then use a thin mixture of dark blue with a little water to paint soft shadows where the rocks meet the sea. These subtle shadows help connect the cliffs naturally with the water. Now I focus on the movement of the ocean with delicate horizontal brushstrokes. I paint gentle ripples across the water's surface. The strokes are finer near the horizon and gradually become larger and more separated as they move toward the foreground. This simple change creates the illusion that the waves are getting closer to us. After the first layer has dried, I return to strengthen the sun's reflection. The brightest highlights are concentrated near the center, while the distant reflections remain softer and more delicate. Layering the highlights in this way gives the water a beautiful shimmering effect. Using the corner of my brush, or a liner brush if you prefer, I add tiny waves where the water gently touches the cliffs. These little details make the coastline feel much more alive and realistic. Now it's time for the focal point of the painting, a graceful sailboat quietly gliding across the peaceful sea. I begin by sketching the overall shape of the boat, along with its soft shadow trailing behind it on the water. With a liner brush and dark paint, I carefully draw the mast and the rigging before shaping the sail. Gentle shadows along the edges of the sail give it volume and help it catch the sunlight naturally. I continue adding the small details inside the boat, then soften the wake behind it with subtle highlights that blend into the surrounding ripples. These small touches create the feeling that the boat is quietly moving across the calm water. Returning to the foreground cliff one last time, I mix a warm highlight using yellow, red, and white. I carefully brighten the edges where the sunlight strikes the rock, making its textures and contours stand out beautifully. Finally, I return to the sky and complete the glowing sun. I strengthen the radiant beams spreading across the scene and enhance the brilliant reflection stretching over the ocean. These final highlights bring the entire painting together, filling it with warmth, tranquility, and light. Thank you so much for watching and painting along with me. Until our next painting, happy painting, and see you soon.